Want to back up your Samsung to a Windows computer, whether you have the Galaxy S25 Ultra or any other model, then here's how to back up all the data of your Samsung smartphone, including media files, messages, contacts, and apps. What you need to do first is, on your PC, open the Microsoft Store and search for Smart Switch. Then install the Samsung Smart Switch. Then tick these checkboxes and hit continue. Now, as it says here, you need to grab a USB Type-C or Type-C to Type-A cable and connect your Samsung to the computer. Now you'll need to unlock your phone and tap on connect from the pop-up. On the PC, it will say connecting to your device. Just give it a second and it will show your phone. Now from here, we'll need to select backup. It will take a moment to load, and on the left hand side, you can decide which data you want to backup. So as you can see here, you can back up almost everything, starting from video, audio, or photos to the installed apps, but also your settings, apps, and home screen layout. If you click on them, you'll be able to view any details if available. And as this will take a lot of time, we're just going to select a couple and click on backup. That will start creating backup, and while it's ongoing, don't unplug the cable. When the backup is done, it will say all done on your smartphone and backup completed on the PC. So now you can just press OK and you're done. So whenever you lost your phone or transferring to a new one, you can come here and restore everything. That's it. Hope this helped, and I'll see you in the next one.